Hello guys, today I made a remake video of Sonic with his shadow, and I hope you like this remake and enjoy the video.
You've hurt my family! This ends now!
Now you know my anger, the pain I've felt for 50 years. And you've made the same choice I did.
I'm nothing like you!
We'll see.
Show yourself, coward!
You were right about one thing. This ends now. Why are you alone? Where are your friends? They tried to stop you, didn't they? But you came anyway. Your anger was too much. What kind of hero abandons his friends to pursue revenge? Abandons his family?
Don't you dare talk about my family!
And here I thought you cared for them. Especially the one... what's his name? Tom? Go ahead, finish it! What are you waiting for? Do it! I'm right here!
You didn't let your pain change who you are. In here.
This is not who I am.
What are you doing? You won. Take your revenge.
There are no winners with revenge.
There you have it, and can you guys please subscribe to my channel. And thank you, bye.